men. And as usual, I use the term ever so loosely. We're going to do a quick video here. This is the third take. I was hoping to do it in one take, 2 takes ago, but shooting these magneto videos is really kind of a pain in the butt because the glare on the spark chamber over here prevents the spark from being seen. And when the magneto is producing spark, the energy that comes off of the spark plug wires just destroys the sound. And I figure you guys could put up with either bad sound or bad video, but probably not both. So I think I got the glare problem fixed. The sound I might be able to treat. But anyway, here's what's going on. I got a magneto here. It belongs to an older gentleman. Shipped it in a couple weeks ago. I started screwing with it last night. I put it in the tester here, and the spark was terrible. Now, allegedly, this had been completely rebuilt by a very reputable magneto shop. A magneto shop I usually recommend to people if I don't want to mess with one. And apparently they totally screwed the pooch on this one. I'm not gonna mention her name because, who knows. But anyway, put it on the tester, little or no spark. The thing was horrible. It sucked. I had a new coil, a coil I was going to use in my other old magneto, but I ended up not using it. So I tried the new coil out in here. Didn't make any difference whatsoever. Put the old coil back in. The magnet seems fine. I mean, the magnet's got a noticeable kind of pop when it, turns around the poles in here. So the magnet seems okay. But for shits and giggles, I decided to mess with the capacitor a little bit. So the capacitor is disconnected from the regular terminal point here, and it's just wired into the circuit with the alligator clip. So let's fire this thing up, and I'll show you what it does, actually what it doesn't do. That is spark. Here you go. Okay, this is like take 7. So much for a quickie one-take video, huh? I think I got the sound problem fixed. So let's fire this up, and you guys could be the judge of that. Okay, lathe stabilized 304 RPM. The original condenser hooked up. Sparks every once in a while, okay? We're going to unclip the original condenser. Oh, I didn't get shocked. We're going to unclip the original condenser and ground it out on the magneto. And boom, an electrical firestorm going in there. This works great. Some random old condenser laying around in my, old magneto parts box. I also happen to have an original equipment Fairbanks Morse capacitor. We'll ground it out on the mag case. Boom, electrical firestorm. That one works great. We're going to turn the RPMs down. All right, we're down to 135, and it's producing a spark pretty much every revolution in the pressurized spark chamber. This thing will start an engine no problem. All this magneto needed was a condenser. Anyway, the owner's going to be very happy. We're going to fix him up with a new condenser, ship it back to him. I think it's going to work real good. And with that, I am out of here. Hey, hit the subscribe button. Get yourself a coffee cup. Get yourself a sticker. See the links below. Or join me on Patreon for more stuff like this. We'll catch you next time. Bye.